We are here, we are here, we are here on this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis, and we are marking up Mfgp stock. We are on a monthly time frame. Price action, last candle to the right hand side is a bullish green candle coming from area of support. So we do have price action overall, lower lows, price action overall, higher highs, midpoint, also adding second level lows, also adding third level lows. Current price is currently at 6.07. So if price works its way up from a next area, it can head up to 7.74. If price drops down from the next current area, it can lead down to 4.64. So we can see price is currently between that mid-range of the highest price that we created and the lowest price. So let's talk about the market, what we see. So there's a few things that happen overall. So it's also, let's take a big zone. Doing our overall midpoint line, let's create a zone in this area so you guys can see what's going on. So you can see that market's coming from a pattern. So that market is going to work its way down for that decline. Imaginary lines coming up for that first leg, second leg, overall third leg. Got to retest in here, but overall third leg, and we have that fourth leg structure. So we have an M pattern. Okay, so from breakout and retest strategy, click on images. You guys would understand that when the market breaks a SR line, and this is overall, we have that break, market came back to retest, and the market pushed down. Now price action just pushed up with a huge bullish green candle, engulfing the previous candles, so it's coming back for a retest again. Now if it doesn't break this resistance line, market's working its way down for another push. And we can see that M pattern in here, first, second, third, fourth. If that market is respected at that bottom of that low, market can work its way up for the incline, which will be identifying the first leg overall, second, third, and we do have that bullish candle working its way up back to the previous area of that SR line with price is currently at 6.07, but can head up to 7.74. And we'll see that W formation, and then we're looking for the break of that W formation. We don't know how it's going to go. It can retest this yellow line here, or it can break out to the overall midpoint, break, retest near the zone, and then work its way up for an incline double bottom and a retest. Unless we receive consolidation within this area between those between the red SR lines, market can be bouncing up and down. Walking down to the weekly time frame, we have price action as a bullish green candle, huge bullish green candle coming from a structure of a pattern. So we at the low here, we do have a pattern of that first, second, third, fourth. So market did break that previous SR line. Only thing we don't see in that area is a retest or some type of candle that's going to identify a retest. So we're going to see if that's happening either in this area here near this yellow SR line or the current SR line is currently at. Or that market can consolidate near that SR line within price, got a huge consolidation. If so, well, that market could tag that area for that resistance and work its way down. If so, market's coming from a overall multiple touches to that top of that resistance. So it'll be first, second, overall, third, fourth leg. So as a double top retest, market's coming down from a triple top. There's an extra tag in here, so it's a quadruple top. Walking down to the daily time frame, We have now the market is getting very choppy. I don't know how far we're going to walk down this time frame. We're only on a daily time frame now, and it's choppy. So it's going to get more choppy. So we're going to stop at a certain level. We'll do our best to walk down. So we have a support price action bullish green candle. Okay, we're looking for price to engulf the third to last candle of the market to push that up. If so, it creates that area of support multiple times, and we can see that market identify that first, second, third, and fourth leg. Came back to retest last time. Is it going to push up the previous levels? If it does, price is headed up near 3.63. Walking down to the 4-hour time frame, receiving consolidation near that area. So we're going to stay in this area of price until that market do what they do. With a tight consolidation, trying to create some structure. Let's draw it out. You can see that consolidation is going to put it in there until we see that breakout. So far, we got a single bottom push down. Market stopped at that midpoint of that SR lines that we did create. So market spiked down, pushed up, retest, and we're going to see if it's going to push up for the incline W. If not, it's identifying a break and retest. So I will be identifying the first, second, third. It can get declined here. Second last candle long wick up to that top, showing that market could be dropping from a decline double top. 3-hour time frame. Let's stretch this out a bit. 3-hour time frame is identifying the same thing. It's starting to get choppy too. So you definitely want to see price action go off the third to last candle of the market to push that market up for that incline, for that double bottom that we identified on the 4-hour time frame. Headed down to the 2 price, second, third, fourth to last candles, all dojis. Okay, so it's showing that the market doesn't break that fourth to last candle, can drop down. We'll draw it out if we can as we walk down the time frame. 1-hour time frame stopped at the midpoint of the midpoint in that high. So we're going to see if we receive a rejection. If so, it's going to look like this. First, second, third rejects, coming down from that double top, but still overall consolidation. Market's getting very choppy, still walking down. 45-minute time frame, still reading the same thing. Could be respected too for that first, second, third leg. Third last candle is a press down for support. The market's trying to break that previous side near the price of 313. Same as well on the 30-minute time frame. Same as well on the 15-minute time frame. So you can see the high, you see the mid. Think about putting an SR line right here. We can see price having a hard time breaking that area. Very spotted. So I don't know if you guys are trading that low. We'll still do our best to walk down the time frames. 5-minute, same as well. Starting to see that structure. Let's draw it out. First, second, third, fourth. So that's a double bottom, retest 1. Retest of his respective market's working his way up from a double bottom and double retest. If not, market is going to have a hard time tagging that resistance multiple times. Talk about it on a 3-minute time frame if we can see it. So we can see that multiple tags at that resistance. So market broke, came back to retest once, twice, 3 times, pushed up a little higher 4 times. So if market doesn't break this, we see a bearish red candle on this 5-minute, 3-minute time frame. Market's coming from a quadruple top. Walking down to the 1-minute time frame. Same as well. So we see the consolidation. There's no reds in there, so it's not showing no bearish. The market's showing opposite colors of what the market is doing. Very gapped off. A lot of space in the market. So I don't know if you guys trade this low, but to find a solid time frame for you guys to trade on, probably stick to the 4-hour or the daily. 4 hours kind of get choppy. You guys can read and do what you do. If not, probably stick on the daily time frame. Every 24 hours, 5 p.m. See the market do what it do, form a candle or not. Please study Forex pattern cheat sheet, breakout and retest strategy. Okay, guys, this is Cam Jones, FX, MFGP, stock.